So we got this military split rim tire and we got to bust the bead, so I'm using the old trusty pickup truck. Got all the air out of it, took the center core out of the stem. If you don't know how to do that, I'll show you when I'm airing it back up. So you want to drive on it. You got to get your tire as close to that wheel as you can without, hitting your wheel on that wheel. And it slowly will push that tire off the bead. I'm sorry about this video, it's handheld. Yeah, not exactly easy. I'm gonna try it one more time. Oh, I'm in the 4-wheel drive low. And you gotta use something heavy like a pickup truck. The regular car almost doesn't have enough weight to push it down. These things have been on there probably 30 years, 20 years, something. So just hang loose and I'll rotate this thing a little bit, because you got to move the tire around and keep doing the edge over and over again. Okay, we're going to do a little more here. Let's see if I can get it without tearing stuff up. Trying to get a good view of this. I think it's finally coming down. I've done this. This is about my 4th trip around the tire. It takes a while for these beads to finally give up. I think it might be somewhere here. If you look real close, you can see it starting to go down. It's getting away from the ring. So I'm gonna have to do it a little more. Because what has to happen is that tire, you have to be able to push it down below the lip on the inside. There's a little lip on the inside of that ring. And that ring will come off. You see how it has a split. You just pry it off there. I'm gonna do it a little more here. I'm not gonna get video. I'll save you guys the time. So I'd say I've probably been at this about 10 minutes. So it takes a little time. I'm gonna keep working it a little more. We ain't got it quite far enough down. I think that old bead's a little rusty. I'm gonna have to go around 3 or 4 more times probably. These things are old and crabby, like me. Okay, I don't know if I got it down enough or not. It's getting down there pretty good. I'm gonna try beating on the ring. The next thing I gotta do is knock that ring down, but if that bead is still touching that, on that tire is touching that ring don't want to come loose. So we're gonna see what happens here. I don't know, I'm gonna try and set the camera on my truck, I guess. So let me see what I can do. Okay, I think I got the camera where you can see it. So the idea is, this ring has got to go down. So I'm gonna give it a couple whacks. There she goes. Oh, I found the spot. And inside the ring here, there's a little notch with a hook. I don't know if I can get to it yet. Like I can. Looks like it might be coming out of here. There it goes. Oh, and this one's got multiple notches, so this might be not too bad. That's if the tire stays out of the way. She still ain't playing fair. Let's see if I can get it peeled up a little more over here. think my beads for my tire's still in the way. Oh, hell. Hang on, I'm gonna get another tool, see if I can do this. Okay, so with a little more persuading, I did it. I got the bead off. So what I did was I took this big pry bar, went around, hammered down like that. Now I can get that tire away from that ring. That should do it. Oh, I think it's in there a little ways. And there she goes. There she is. And we got it off there. Now the tire will just slip right up. But there's probably a lot of rust on the back bead, so I'm going to have to flip it over and drive over it to bust off the back bead.